Hello guys, what's up? Let's start writing our Python code. Python is probably the simplest programming language out there. Okay, so go to www.python.org. This is the official website for Python. You can download Python through here, but in this course we will not be installing Python in our PC. Instead we'll be running Python online. So this is programmers.com where you can run your Python code online. Don't worry, all the links will be provided below. So let's get started with writing our Python code. Let me delete this hello world. So essentially, so let's print an output to the screen. So how this works is, it's called a compiler. So compiler is simply something that runs the code and shows it in form of a human, in the form that we can understand. Okay, machine process data in the form of 0 and 1, but we can't understand there. So let's write our Python code. Print. Okay, write print and open this brackets. So simply what we are saying is we want to show something to the screen. Print means show something to the screen. It is similar to printing on a paper, okay, by a printer machine. So what do you want to print? You start with quotations, then hello world. This is my first Python code. So simply after writing your code, you can hit run, and here it is. You can see your output in the screen. So let's let's print something out. Okay, again print double bracket open bracket open bracket close, and you can either do double quotation or single quotation in Python. So now about single quotation, this is my second line of code. Let's again run it. First line of code and second line of code. So now let's delete this, and let me tell you something about comments. So you saw that when I'm running this code, only print hello world, this is my first Python code, and second line of code has been printed out, but not these two things that are above. Why? Because these are comments. So let me start again. Comments, how do you write comments? It's like writing a sticky note and sticking in your screen so that you can remember afterwards. Okay, so you start with hashtag and write something. This is comment. Okay, this line will not run. Code. Okay, this line will not run when you will compile your code. And so what we essentially did here is we wanted to see something output. So we write print bracket open, then quotation, single quotation or double quotation, open and close, then you write what you want to show as output. So voila, again this comment is not being printed as output. So now print something else. Okay, let's print 3. Now you saw there is a here we didn't open it with, we didn't write the quotation. Why? Because only when you want to print something like words and sentence, you do it inside the quotation, inside of quotation. But when you want to put output numbers like 4, you don't need to put it inside quotation. So congratulations, you have printed your first Python code.